Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Doctor plays on the beat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya ògùn wa tán. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ajẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí dábọ̀ sóhun mi lò jọ dìgbọ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú. Láfi ń ṣe tiwa, ewé jẹ́ òbẹ̀. Èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé, èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò. Ọba ńlá ń dákun máa jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́.
To remove any form of spiritual attack in your life. To remove any form of spiritual sickness from your life. You need sulfur, shackles, and lemongrass. Believe me, it works like magic. If you want to remove spiritual sickness from your life, you want to remove any form of spiritual sickness, spiritual attack from your life. So you need those materials: sulfur, charcoal, and the lemongrass. I think we all know sulfur. If you don't know it, you can see it displayed on the screen. Charcoal and the lemongrass. Lemongrass is everywhere. I don't have it here, but I think you can see it displayed on my screen. You can use this combination to remove any form of spiritual attack or spiritual sickness. If you know that this sickness is not an ordinary sickness, I think you are with me. Please use these materials. You can use it to remove, to destroy any form of spiritual attack. Please don't joke with these materials. They are very simple. They are very simple and very, very effective. Those materials, if you don't know it, you can go to any local market, get sulfur, charcoal, and the lemongrass. That's all. You don't need to add any other thing to it. You don't need to add any other thing to it. Believe me. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching me today. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Badouije. If this is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tips, just like the one that you want to watch right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to comment, like, and share my video. And if you never subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of videos there that can help your spiritual life. And if you don't understand, you are free to call me on the 070-3742-2552. You message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. So as you see from the title, today I want to quickly teach you how to use sulfur, charcoal, and lemongrass to remove any form of spiritual sickness from your life, from your body. You've done many tests and nothing seems to work out. Your doctor told you to go and consult the elders. Are you with me? So this is what you are going to do to remove any form of sickness, spiritual sickness from your body. If you know that this sickness is not an ordinary sickness, you've done many things, I will advise you to try this thing. It's very simple and very, very effective. What you need is sulfur, charcoal, and lemongrass. Lemongrass is very common. See, all this lemongrass is not only meant for to cure typhoid or malaria. Are you with me? We can also use this lemongrass to remove any form of spiritual attack, any form of spiritual sickness from your body. Are you with me? So this is what you are going to do. You will grind sulfur to a powder, ground separately, ground charcoal to powder separately. You need one spoon of this powder. Are you with me? So this lemongrass, you are going to boil it with hot water. The water that you know that you can use to bathe. Are you with me? So you are going to turn this water in a big rubber. Are you with me? You remove the leaf, the lemongrass leaf. You don't have anything to do with that again. Are you with me? You remove the lemongrass. So if you are a Muslim, this is what you are going to do. There are three ways to do this. If you are a Muslim, you are going to recite Ayatul Kursi 313 on that water. If you are a Christian, you are going to recite, I read Psalm 65 over the water, on that water. If you don't know how to read, you don't know how to read the Ayatul Kursi, you don't know how to read Psalm, so you are allowed to pray the way you always do, you understand? So after the recitation of that Ayatul Kursi, and if you are a Muslim or if you are a Christian, after the reading of Psalm 65, so you are going to mention the name of that sickness on that water, and you will command it to remove the sickness from your body. You will ask God to cure you from that unknown sickness. If you don't know the name of that sickness, you can pray in general way, you understand? You ask God to remove the sickness from your life. After the reading of that ayah or psalm, make sure that you mention the name of that sickness. If you don't know the name of that sickness, ask God to remove any form of spiritual attack or no sickness from your life. You understand? So after that, you must mix those materials before you read Ayatul Kursi and Psalm 65. You must mix that charcoal and the sulfur. Then after that, you now save 1 cup from that water. You keep it aside. So the other water, you are going to use it to bathe every part of your body without using soap. Are you with me? So the one that you save inside that cup, you are going to take it outside and you pour it outside on the floor. You understand? You must repeat this process 3 days in a week. Believe me, before a month, you will share me a good testimony by the grace of Almighty God. It's very simple and very, very effective. That is how to do it. It's very simple. So if you really love this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and share my video. You understand? The more I see your likes, the more I share you more videos. And don't forget to comment. If you never subscribe, please make sure that you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. If you watch my video every day, you can message me on WhatsApp 0905332747. So when I upload any of my videos, I will let you know by the grace of Almighty God. So that is how to do it. If you have any question to ask me, please feel free to comment under this video, and by the grace of Almighty God, I will get back to you by the grace of God. So that is how to do it.
Lọ́la kó bá yà kú Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kú Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ajẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn lèmi dábọ̀ sóhun mi lò jẹ́ dìgbọ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn tá a fi ṣẹ́ mi náà, àwọn nìkan náà ń jẹ. Kó bá fàyà kú ọlọ́run ọba ìwé ń jẹ́ ẹni mọ̀nà ni mọ̀nà ẹni tí ò lágàn kò lè mọye tán tágàn bó bá dọ̀jà ṣe ti gbọ́ ẹni tí kò mọ ìwúra o tó bá rí wúrà aṣọ